Our team works really hard to go that extra distance and give everyone an experience they'll want to share. We're so thankful for this great review that makes all of our efforts worthwhile. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us. And that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and anyone who reads 5-star reviews is wise, because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star service. One of the keys to our success is our commitment to satisfaction. It's how we earn our great reviews, and how we'll earn yours too. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Contact us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.